Hi, and welcome to the Sweet Life of Steve special holiday special. And today we are making a gluten-free coconut macaroon that is a crowd pleaser. You'll tide over all your guests with this. Plus, we're revisiting a couple of our favorite episodes from earlier this season, those beautiful chewy brownies and our gingers. And we're gonna show you a wonderful way to upgrade those and give them that holiday spin. Speaking of holiday spin, let's make some eggnog. So this is not your run-of-the-mill cartony stuff. What I'm doing is I am starting with some of that Anglais that we made in the Rob's Apple Cake special. And I'm going to do a mixture of 2 to 1. 2 parts Anglais, 1 part whole milk, just to sort of loosen it up a little bit. We're getting fast and loose. Whole milk, because why? Fat is flavor. And then I'm adding a pinch of mace, actually. It's sort of nutmeg adjacent, but not as nutmeggy as nutmeg. And then some dark rum from Lions. Roar, I'm a lion. About a shot. Ooh, happy holidays. Oh, spank you very much. That's good. Let's make some coconut macaroons. So I love these. They're a little bit along the lines of the New York deli style. They don't have your sweet condensed milk version. These are egg whites only. So they're gluten-free, they're delicious. I'm starting with some sugar. To that, I'm adding my egg whites and just a pinch of salt and a little bit of vanilla bean paste. Not even a whole spooge, like a little spooge-lit. And just a splash of almond liqueur. I don't like extracts. They're just falsy flavor to me, so I love to use the good stuff. Mix that up together until it is combined. I wanna make sure that the sugar has become hydrated. And to that, I'm adding sweet flaked coconut. And then we just want to get those guys hydrated as well. A really good trick to this recipe, once you've added the coconut, is to let it sit just for a few minutes, and the coconut is gonna soak up all of that eggy, sugary deliciousness. And then you'll be ready to start scooping. So look at how easy that was. Came together in like, what, 10 seconds? I don't know, 15 seconds? I wasn't timing it. Let's pretend that 5 minutes have gone by and it's time to scoop them. So we need a silicone-lined baking sheet. This is super, super important. Otherwise, if you use like a parchment paper, it's going to be too sticky and you won't get them off the pan. Also, the silicone liner helps to conduct heat to the bottom of the cookie as well. So you're actually getting better baking surface on the top and on the bottom, and you're gonna have even browning all the way around by using that silicone-lined pan. Let's get it, shall we? It's over here by my Christmas cock. Pretty, pretty birdie. You'll want to use a cookie scoop, whatever size you have is fine. And I have learned by lots of experience, you're going to take a scoop of this, it's not really batter, we'll just call it stuff, and take your thumb and press down inside, packing it into the top of the scoop, then folding it in, and then taking a little bit more and evenly packing it all the way around. If you don't do this, as the macaroons bake, they'll actually spread. So you really wanna compact in all of that coconut. Pack it in with your thumb, press it in, and then get a little bit more. Beautiful. You know, it's so important to pack things really tightly and firmly. Get all that last little bit of coconutty goodness. All right, beautiful. Now, we bake in a low oven, 275 degrees, until they're done. They'll be golden brown on the top, they'll be golden brown on the bottom, the insides will still be ever so slightly moist, and that's exactly how we want it, because who wants a dry macaroon? Let's go to the oven, shall we? Thanks, Birdie. Do we need to do that again? Where the hell's my drink? Rob? Where'd you put it? Here it is. Once your coconut macaroons come out of the oven, let them cool completely on the sheet pan before you take them off. You want those sugars on the bottom to crystallize a little bit and form that nice crispy crust all the way around. Like these pretties. Look at that, look at the bottom. The bottom is as pretty as the top. And we have everybody dressed for the holiday party. So look what we did. We made our brownies, but we baked them in this completely impractical mold that I'm sure someone is going to give you this holiday season. And now you'll know what to do with it. We also made some of our gingers and we dressed them up with a simple glaze with a little bit of lemon zest and lemon juice inside. So now they're even gingerier. And I took some of our little coconut macaroons and I dipped them in white chocolate. So now they're dressed for the party too. They look like little snowballs. Hey, honey! So stupid. I hope you enjoyed this holiday special, everybody. Look at all these wonderful holiday treats that I made. Which do you want? Do you want the ginger, the brownie, or the macaroon?
The ginger.
All right, and I'm gonna have a brownie because you don't like chocolate. Ready? Holiday cheers!
Tell everybody that. Cheers.
So tasty. You like it? Is it rummy enough for you?
No.
No? Too bad. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed season 1 of The Sweet Life of Steve, and we look forward to season 2. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know in the comments, what recipes do you need? Finally,